Ladies and gentlemen, we have so many places to go in one day.
Yes.
And we try to make this as short as possible. Our prescription is that people leave home as early as 6 a.m. Because we start at 7 a.m. from around Transcorp area, the community. So from there, we'll start marching. You can bring your own placard. If you don't, we will try and provide you one. As a group, we want to make t-shirts. They can. Our advice is we don't know if we need to have t-shirts. Because we don't know what we have going. So that we don't start harassing you even before you get to town. The reason we ask you to leave on time is that we know that they will cut off this road.
Yes.
You don't leave on time. Most of our people have already arrived from across the country. And some have arrived from abroad. This is a global movement. The last time the detention of a person took this dimension globally was Nelson Mandela. Where somebody will travel from, and I've seen 2 people from US, 3 people from Italy have come from Spain, many people have come from all over South Africa, just to come and join this program. We are not asking for anything from you other than your contribution in person. Yes. And we believe that this is going to work. We have no doubt about it. As our brother mentioned, the biggest problem this had are those Southeastern politicians. They are the ones that the Yoruba say that the insects that is eating vegetables is at the bottom.
We know.
I know most of them. We know. I call them, they are not coming back to me. I mentioned that they see me on TV. I was still on TV today. And they are the ones who are saying that the case is in court. Let us finish it.
Somebody from the US was saying that.
Yes. That should not be coming from an evil man who understand that the Nigerian judicial system can never favor anyone. In fact, the Nigerian judicial system cannot favor anybody who is truthful. But the question you should ask them is, when they had corruption cases, did they wait for the court to determine it? What they did to get rid of their corruption case was to join the APC, a terrorist organization. And they are here trying our brother for terrorism. They have been on this trial since 2021. They have not been able to
There's
nothing. Like I told you, the only evidence they have is microphone that he was using for radio Biafra. And his underwear. And singlet we call white beater that he used in arresting him under the pen. No razor blade was found on him. Nothing was found of him. He said, okay, he's ordering arms, so maybe the receipt, even his phone records, they are look for it. The only video they found in his phone was him and his wife playing.
Which is normal thing.
So that's all. That's all that has been holding this man. So like I said, my mind was hurting a few days ago when I saw him in court. I was very depressed and very worried. Because that energy that I used to see him, you see that he has slowed down. And when he was talking to the lawyers, you see that it was as if he was struggling to speak. Something has gone wrong, and that's what they want. They know that the moment we lose him, nobody can bring him back, even if we burn down the country.
Yes.
But we must bring him out so that the country will not burn.
That's it.
That is our position.
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Thank you.
I will be there on Monday.
Please.
We don't welcome you with nakedness that side.
There are girls who are looking for naked men.